Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video we'll learn about how to filter a given visual here. So let's start. So before that I request all of you who are watching, please like, share and subscribe my channel S&T Power Vision. So now this is my visual, that is a stack bar chart here, and here we have done the y-axis, we have state and cost type. See, this is the state, this is cost type, and this is the cost amount on the x-axis. Here we can see, if required we can change it to other. If you're not comfortable with this, you can change to your visual if possible. Now what we'll do here, we'll apply a sync slicer. So click in anywhere. This is my slicer video. Now here we'll move the state from store. We'll take the state here. We can move, drag and drop here as well, and field also. So this time we'll drop it here. Let's say, yeah, this is my state slicer here. Now we select any state here. Colorado, suppose I selected here. So it is just showing the cost amount by state for one state, Colorado. By doing so we can change it. And also if we are doing control plus click, so we can select more than one state, depend on how many we want. So like this. Let's try again. Just press the control button, deselect some, then select. So let's see how this visual are getting changed here, like that. Now we'll see some formatting option here. So format your visual, go to slicer setting. Now this is the selection. In selection we can see single select option, multi-select with a control or command plus click is used, or show select all. So we'll see how it works here. Suppose we are doing single select here. Okay. So we can select anyone at one point of time. Just see. Now we make multi-select with control. So we can do that thing also by press control plus right click, like that. Now if you see here show select all, so we can see select all here. If we select this, select means check on select all, then we can see all the states here, like that it works. So now come, there is one more thing, orientation here since I list up all the states in the vertical, if you want we can change it to horizontal as well. So now yes, like that we can select the states here. And one more thing, give some effect here so that we can identify this visual from others. Now beauty of this Power BI is that we can copy, means control C plus control V, any other visual as well, and change it according to our. So now instead of state here, now this time I will take the cost numerical value sum. So we'll take the cost amount. Yeah, now we'll see here. Now do one thing, just we selected all the states here. Now we'll do some comparison on the cost wise. So this is the given cost amount. Yes, vertical. Suppose we want some selected value, like some we'll select some numerical value like cost amount here. Let's see how. Yes. See, based on the selected cost amount, it's showing the name of states. Now there's some more option here. Select the type of slicer. This is the list. If we select drop down here, this is like this is drop down going on. So we can select value based on this here. Now another option is between. Okay, we can select the state based on the cost amount between two value here. So we can slide left, right, whatever based on the given value. Now less than or equal to here. This is the highest value. So we can move left side. So it will show less value than the particular given. All the states less than this amount. Now greater than or equal to. This is our lowest value. Moving right means okay, we are showing it all the value greater than this value. Now we'll take another visual, that is the date, another slicer. This is, we'll do one thing. Simply we'll copy paste here, Control C, Control V. Here we'll give the date in this visual. So we'll take the order date. Yes. Now here two options, that is order date and hierarchy. If we give the order date here, now we can see between, before, after, list, drop down, relative date, relative time. So we'll see between two date means, wait. So here if we selecting between two dates, so like this, okay, this is the from to, so we can select the list of all state with the cost amount between two given dates here. So we can change the date here in between two boxes here. Now this is before. So this is the 29/12/2019. So whatever means order date before this date we can select here. Now this is the after. So what is the order after this date, like 020/2017? By moving this towards right we can select. Now list. For the given list we can select, like press Control plus click like this. What are the other option here? Drop down. This is the, by doing this drop down we can select the given date. Now relative date. Suppose we want some relative date like last 20, select last 20 days or last 20 month. Here since date is 2019, that's why it is not showing. Suppose some 60. Like that we can give the date to select the like state. So based on our given criteria and data. Now relative time. Suppose we want to give some relative time only, so we can also give like last 1 hour, last 2 hour. So we can give all those things here. This is the between again. Now in the order date, we'll see some other option. Let's see what are those. Go come here. Now we'll select the date hierarchy. So what is date hierarchy we'll see. Here we have year, quarter, month, date. And here we have 2017, 18, 19. This is our data. Now just suppose we selected 2019 here. So based on our date selected 2019, it will show the like state, cost amount. If we want, we can give some more or see how the things are getting changes here. Or list, we can select the like that. Now this is data for 2018. Suppose we want some quarter like 2018. We want only quarter 3 and 4. So it will show the data based on the selected date here. Now we want quarter 1, 2. So it will show the name of states based on the quarter 1, quarter 2 selected or whatever criteria we will give, it will select here. Now even quarter 1, if you want, we can further divide like a quarter January, February, March. Suppose we don't want March month, we want January, February month. So it will show the value based on the selected criteria here. Even we can split it further like January 1, we have 31 days. So we can select the dates wise also like suppose we don't want these things like that. So based on the selected date, cost amount, state and all this visual will change. So this is all about how to filter a visual based on the given criteria. Criteria may be more than one, two, three, depend on the given by client or project requirement. So this is all about the filter visual.